Wondering which air fryer brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your air fryer purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, Pigeon air fryer brand faces poor customer support. Second, Murphy Richards air fryer brand grapples with quality issues. Third, Lifelong air fryer brand encounters poor build quality. Fourth, Faber air fryer brand confronts customer is not satisfied. And fifth, Anolsa air fryer brand suffers from no customer support, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended air fryer brands, including: first one, Instant Pot air fryer; second, Philips air fryer; third, Cosori air fryer; and fourth, Agaro air fryer. Let's see the comparison. Dive into the world of air fryers, starting with the focus on their capacity. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer leads with a generous 6-liter capacity. Philips air fryer offers 4.1 liters, Cosori air fryer presents 4.7 liters, and Agaro air fryer impresses with an expansive 12 liters. Consider the power output to ensure efficient and quick cooking. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer stands strong at 1700 watts, Philips air fryer commands 1400 watts, Cosori air fryer delivers at 1500 watts, and Agaro air fryer takes the lead with an impressive 1800 watts. Explore the variety of preset cooking functions for convenient use. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer offers 6 presets functions, Philips air fryer introduces 7 presets functions, Cosori air fryer elevates with 9 presets functions, and Agaro air fryer matches with a versatile range of 9 presets functions as well. Check the temperature range for versatile cooking possibilities. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Consistency is key in the culinary realm, and across all air fryer brands, operating temperatures effortlessly span from 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, guaranteeing optimal results for every cooking adventure. Customize cooking times with adjustable and accurate timers. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Stay in control of your cooking with ease with the timer function is given. Rest assured, all air fryer brands have got you covered for precise and convenient cooking experiences. Evaluate the wire length for flexible placement in your kitchen. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Enjoy freedom in placement with Instant Pot and Philips air fryer, boasting a generous 1.8 meters of wire length. For those prioritizing practicality, Cosori and Agaro air fryer cater to convenience with a reliable 1 meter wire. Know where your air fryer is made for quality assurance. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer hails from Canada, Philips air fryer represents the Netherlands, Cosori air fryer embodies craftsmanship from China, and Agaro air fryer proudly brings innovation to the table, made in India. Look for durable materials ensuring longevity and safety. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer features robust stainless steel, Philips air fryer adopts durable plastic, Cosori air fryer presents an elegant brushed metal design, and Agaro air fryer stands strong with stainless steel craftsmanship. Enhance your cooking experience with a user-friendly app guide. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot air fryer with Instant Brands Connect app, Philips air fryer with NutriU app, Cosori air fryer dedicated Cosori air fryer app, while Agaro doesn't have one. Consider the noise level for a peaceful kitchen environment. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Experience tranquility in your kitchen as noise levels remain low with Instant Pot, Philips, and Cosori air fryer, ensuring a peaceful cooking ambience. Meanwhile, Agaro air fryer offers a bit more audible performance with slightly higher noise levels. Simplify cleaning with dishwasher safe parts. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Simplify your cleanup routine effortlessly. Good news, all 4 air fryer brands ensure convenience with dishwasher safe components, making maintenance a breeze. Amazon rating above 4.4 stars. Check customer reviews for a highly rated performance. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Navigate the realm of customer satisfaction on Amazon, where Instant Pot Air Fryer takes the lead with a stellar 27,793 ratings above 4.4 stars. Philips Air Fryer follows with 4,943 ratings. Cosori Air Fryer impresses with 23,018 ratings, and Agaro Air Fryer holds strong at 5,618 ratings, showcasing the popularity and acclaim of each brand. Assess the construction to ensure a sturdy and reliable appliance. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Instant Pot Air Fryer sets the standard with an excellent build quality, while Philips Air Fryer goes with good. Agaro Air Fryer proudly match the excellent. Cosori Air Fryer too joins the league with an excellent build, ensuring longevity and robust performance across the board. Protect your investment with comprehensive warranty options. Let me see the comparison of each air fryer brands. Each, including Instant Pot, Philips, Cosori, and Agaro Air Fryer, stands behind their product, assuring you with a reliable 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 air fryer brands. Transform your cooking experience, as these air fryers prove ideal not only for frying but also for baking. Unleash culinary creativity with air fryers that excel in roasting and grilling, adding versatility to your kitchen. Navigate your cooking endeavors effortlessly with a digital touch control panel, ensuring intuitive and user-friendly operation. Efficiently warm up meals or dehydrate ingredients with air fryers designed for ideal reheating and dehydrating. Take your kitchen adventures to new heights with air fryers that are perfect for toasting and cooking frozen foods. Elevate your tech space with air fryers designed for ideal use in drone rooms, combining modernity with culinary convenience. Choose from the most selling air fryer brands online, ensuring you bring home a trusted and popular kitchen companion. Extend your cooking horizons beyond the kitchen with air fryers ideal for use in boats and outdoor events. Foster a sense of community and shared cooking experiences with air fryers perfect for use in community centers. Embrace the demands of a commercial kitchen with air fryers designed for ideal use in professional culinary settings. Prioritize safety with built-in overheat protection, ensuring your cooking sessions are secure and worry-free. Secure your kitchen environment with safety lock-enabled air fryers, adding an extra layer of protection for peace of mind. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. Instant Pot Air Fryer holds strong 4.5 star rating, and Philips Air Fryer has good 4-star rating. Cosori Air Fryer holds strong 4.5 star rating. Agaro Air Fryer holds a strong 4.5 star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box: air fryer, user manual, and warranty card. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Prior to purchasing an air fryer, it is advisable to thoroughly evaluate its capacity, body material, multiple preset functions, overall customer ratings, and the extent of warranty coverage it offers. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.